today we are kickstarting the Lubombo excursion. You can visit the Lubombo region and actually enjoy yourself. That is what we are saying in a lot of different places right here, which we are bringing to you. This is day one of the Lubombo excursion, courtesy of S08E03 Tourism Authority. We are starting at Mhlume Country Club, whereby we shall be sleeping there, having all the experience, and we'll be moving on to more other places which we are going to show you. And I'm sure right now you are just anticipating and excited to see what am I talking about. Let's go and see what the day one of the Lubombo excursion is all about. Stay tuned. Hi, unjani sisi?
Ngiyaphila kunjani?
Ngiyaphila nami. Ngicela ukuthi introduce ukuthi ngibani igama lakho, sibone kuswela in la ekhaya.
Masinalindo Buhle, duty manager Mhlume Country Club.
All right, Lindo Buhle. Mhlume Country Club, right?
Yes.
I'd love to know, what is Mhlume Country Club prepared as far as the festive season is concerned? Now, sesiyakhisimusi indlela wayishela ababukele ekhaya ngaleli kulungisile Mhlume.
Mhlume silungise 1 Debe kunebumnanzi. 2 debe kune lunch, a traditional lunch for families. Ungeta wefa, ungeta namndeni wakho. Cabanga ukuthi masinyane sidobe sesikhiphile ama-page and F ukuthi malini per person.
Okay. All right, so when it comes to accommodation, as better labanye mhlambe bangafisa kulala, accommodation asemhlume eme kanjani, ahlukana kanjani for the different kinds of families and people labangeta?
Okay, sinama rooms lahlukene gang 3.
Okay.
Sinama cabins, ngangena families, ngangena babe namage nebamphana ngenela. I think accommodate up to 6 people. Nema rooms lahlukene. Khona ma room ebamphana, khona ma rooms abantu abadala, and then there's a living room, same cabin. And then kunetindlu engathi dema couples. It's a 1-bedroom house. Onke anema bathrooms ngekhathi. We have TVs and fridge nako konke.
Okay.
Bese we have guest houses. Sesina 3 ama guest house angaphandle kwe club. Nangabe ufuna umsimbo wakho, maybe ni party baneng was 6 to 7 people. Ningakhona ukubuka ema guest house ngaphandle.
Okay. All right. So generally, when it comes to a kitchen lane, kuma kanjani as far as your menu is concerned, kuba kanjani la?
Okay, kitchen level 1 Mhlume Country Club is a bread and breakfast.
Okay.
So mawubhukile ulelekithi, breakfast uyidla kithi.
Okay.
But nema walk-ins siyawathatha. Niyangena ekuseni intento odle breakfast kithi, and then siyadla lunch, kunema light meals. Also kunekudla kwebamphana we do cater for children, bane menu yabo. Bese sinema pizzas, sinema burger, nekudla kwesilungu. Bese sinema buffet. Nangabe ni order nangabe nibanengi for ima party or kungumndeni, but for ima buffets niya order ngesikhathi ukuthi nifuna kuphekelwa kudlala kanje, and kunema price ranges. Khona ukuthi sifuna ibuffet encane, sifuna lemkhulu, and then there's an executive one lemkhulu kakhulu. Shayana ngelikhikile kuno.
Okay. All right. I'd love to know nge-involvement ya S08E03 Tourism Authority ukuthi lokho kunisithe kanjani as Mhlume, most especially in bringing business to you, as well as mhlambe collaborate naletinye tindzawo letiletha ubunanzi endaweni yaseMhlume.
Ngicabanga ukuthi kuyawenda ukuthi si-reach a wide range of people. Nebamphule bangadi ngamhlume Country Club batokwati and batokhona ukuzivakashela. Nebamphule bangadi ukuthi si-operate kanjani. Because labanye maybe babacabanga ukuthi utawubhukile. Uyetubhukile, uyetungakabhuki and walk in. Nangoma ngabe ufuna ama rooms waphola. depende ukuthi sibhizi kangakanani. Mhlume ngina swimming pool lokushisa nje. And then siyabacaterishela abamfana. Nema slides, nema jumping castles. Now utele mfana wakho angeke phela ukulandzela wena. Uyakhona ukukhululeka nayadlala nalabanye. Also sinabakhetharisha nebamfla abadzala. Banabo cocktail nights, sibanabo ladies nights, especially on Thursdays, Friday and Saturday. Bese siba nyalo kutoqala World Cup. Mhlume Country Club une sports bar. Sisha. Sihle. Sinema TV lamasha. Nema decoder lamasha. So passport yadlala. For people abafuna ukubukela World Cup, they can come. But ubukela nalamanye ama-forts abangaphazamiseki.
I-impact esengiyendile na ubuka wena inganani to the community yaseMhlume, more especially ngekuletha le entertainment in the space.
I think sikhonile ku-provide a safe space yokuthi ujabule, because sinayo security. Uyakhona nje ukukhululeka kude ukuthi ujabulile ubugatha likhikhi lakho ukuthi bamfu bakhona kuletha abamfana babo. Wonke umuntu ngicabanga ukuthi kukhona lokumjabulisako. Nangabe ngumuntu lothandzela kutohlala nje ajabule, uyakhona ukuhlala ujabule, because we also have movie days, Sundays. Kunema sicala ngemovie bamfana ngabo 3, kulandzele bamfla abadzala siza sigcina ngabo 8. So wonke umuntu uyakhetharisha. Na ungathanza umsimbo wokujayiva nani utohlala phasi ubukele ama movie. Nangabe wena ufuna gintara uyajabula, na ufuna ukubukela ibhola in a quiet space bamfana bangafuni generations, uyohlala phasi and watch it.
All right, so how do people get hold of Mhlume, bookings and all that? Bawenda kanjani your contacts and also your social media presence?
Mhlume uyatholakala ka Facebook, Mhlume Country Club and Lodge. Uyatholakala ka Instagram, Mhlume Country Club. Siyatholakala nange email. It's mccreception@res.cas. Bangasithola khona inombolo efika licingo ethi 2313-4350. Naletinye bangathola on Facebook and Instagram.
Buhle Betfu, we are still on the Libombo excursion courtesy of Eswatini Tourism Authority. We are now here at the Sugarcane Museum of Tambangule Estates. We just want to hear the history of sugarcane and what is it that they've been up to up until this time that we are here. Let's go and find out what sugarcane has been all about all these years. Ngicela ukuthi uthi introduce kumbukele ekhaya ukuthi ngabe ngibani igama lakho nesibongo nekuthi ngabe wenda ini la ekhaya.
Okay, ligama lami ngisindiswa ngamamba sibongo shothi ke I'm the tour guide of the Sugarcane Museum.
All right, that's awesome. Mina ke ngiyaqala mina ke ukuva ukuthi there's something called the Sugarcane Museum, so leng interested you ukuthi mhlambe bongasipha i-background ngalenzawo ekseni mhlambe iqala ni Sugarcane Museum nebe ukuthi mhlambe yinje umuntu la ngakhanza la khaya nakafikile.
Oh, okay. Shothi Sugarcane Museum iqale ku operator 2017 August. ngekusitwa ngetimali ke bo EU ekwakheni le structure. The main objective wekwakha le structure ukuthi is to educate bantu about the sugar industry. But the major reason why we have the museum is because bebazama avoid injuries from the factory itself, whereby bantu bebafuna lokwati nge-sugar industry ukhanze ukuthi bese sebabhuka ukuthi baye emshineni, so ne-safety ngibuka ukuthi bantu abasibo labaphephe kahle ukuthi kungagcwala abantu ezipho i-operation iqhubeka, so bebazama lokunciphisa lobungoti ukuthi baze balimali while basafuna lokufunza ngale sugar industry, because some people are interested to learn about the sugar industry because actually the sugar industry it's the biggest industry now long ekuzicabanga njengoba usho ukuthi uyaqala kufunza kwathi ukuthi ne-sugar museum something like that. So kwanami nje nangisefika lana ngangitibuta lokuthi wow, being a tour guide at the sugar cane museum, what's happening there yini sugar industry kwentekani. So the interest yekufundza ngale sugar industry ukuthi kahle kahle what's the sugar industry, iqhamukaphi kanjani, izifika lana ifika kanjani, and nale production sifika kanjani production nasisuka from growing. So ngicabanga ukuthi ngiloko nje basically.
Okay, usakhuluma nge-sugar industry sengiyacabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe umbukele ekhaya mhlawumbe angafisa ukuthi ube mhlawumbe lo msummarizelayo ngale sugar cane industry ukuthi mhlawumbe nje lokumcoka sugar cane industry yayiqale kuphi lenzaba kusize sifike la khona senkhanza shukela asendlini noma sengimthenge Pick n Pay, maybe just briefly intro le kanjalo just ukuthi I understand umbukele.
The first meal lesabanayo it's Big Band in 1958, then second one Mhlume in 1960, the last one is Small in 1980, something like that. Then bese sewuyafundza ke nge-production nge-growing ukuthi lo moba ulinywa kanjani. We understand ukuthi we have 3 climatic regions. We have the high veld, we have the middle veld, then we have low veld. Ukhanza ke ukuthi lo moba use low veld nengakhulu because the sugar cane needs sunlight. We understand ukuthi bo high veld mamakhata bo middle east they are bo middle veld they are somewhere there, but then we have the sugar industry in the low veld because of the sun itself. Yeah. So then from growing bese because growing kunengokufaka ekhathi kunabo irrigation kunama irrigation systems la khona lokufuna ukuthi uwadi, then when going so uyabona kunabo awubanje lapha kunabo ukhaza kabantu ukuthi le industry kahle kahle inkulu kanganani, le sugar cane yini la kwendawo. Then from la museum yakhona naloku kwadi ukuthi okay sugar cane akasiniki shukela kuphela as everyone knows ukuthi thola shukela khona. There's the likes of electricity, there's the likes of filter cake which is fertilizer, molasses, alcohol like ethanol. So logo ukhona kubona lapha production because we do sifunza ngehistory ukuthi usukaphi sugar cane, then sesifunza ngekulinywa kwemoba, then say production bese sesifunza ke kabanti ke nale market ukuthi kahle kahle lo shukela siwudayisa kuphi and who is the controller of the sugar industry, which is Sugar Association. Loku ngiyena lo weta nale structure se-sugar cane museum.
No, right, that's awesome. So mhlawumbe umbukela ngaba interested ukuthi kahle kahle nasikhuluma ngemuseum wa sugar cane bantu laba kanjani mhlawumbe laba benefita kulo lwati lolu ligcinile kulenzawo, maybe the different kinds of groups of people that can come and benefit out of the information lesiyiphethe njengoba nje mina already lo ngimelana sekunengile ngufundzile lokusha, so kungaba abantu laba kanjani labangeda la lofunza something.
It's actually not specified ukuthi ngetabani ngetekwetabani because nasingakhuluma ngelive lemaswati ukuthi live lapho na ulithanza kufuna uladi ukuthi nawubhekaphi kunani kanjani njani. So lokuvakasha akufuna ukuthi kube yinvo le normal ku everyone. So I wouldn't say ukuthi ngibani okufanele ede ngibani longede, but lawyer benefit more ukhanza ukuthi abantu abesikole because bayafunza nawubuka nje lapha kube besifutana nje bongabona lapha ukuthi kunetifundo letikhona letibaliwe la kulama panels ethu of which nebantu abesikole kakhulu lesingathi ngibulo kufanele ukuthi bete batofunza i-sugar cane museum.
Ngawucela yemna yethu sonchaze kancane ngana ngandaganda lesiyame kuye kusiyona umlando wakhe uhamba ufike phi.
Oh efika sini.
Yes sir.
Yeah, lena ifika sini. Oh khuluma nje lebibalima ngato This one is Second World War, which is 1945. Nabe masocha embini.
Okay.
This one. This one is about akusike paraffin, genuine petrol.
Okay.
Yeah. So bekulinywa ngazo because everything njengoba ngishito it's farming, sugar industry is farming. So kufanele ukuthi ulime uzokhona ekuhlanyela. So then there is another thing lesinayo la ngaphandle, which is a steam engine. I think you saw it, big machine la ngaphandle. That one is power supply. It's more like a power supply.
Okay.
Because gas, but they used it as a power supply. Abanje kuyabaswa ubasa umlilo ngale kunema pipe la khona la supply lokushisa ngale then kunemanti kubhola lamanti then nakubhola lamanti bese sekuthena lamasomvu lamakhulu wabonile bawa connect to certain platform lebe crash lo moba because lo moba kufuna uhlutwe.
Okay.
Yeah. Then there's a certain platform laba connect ukuze ukuthi lo moba uhlutwe badodlula le juice.
Yebo babukeli igama lami ngingu-Simon Shabangu ngisebenzela eliphephandaba eSwatini Observer. Namhla sihamba nabase eSwatini Tourism Authority silapha eLibonjeni esifundeni sase eLibonjeni whereby sitokhuthata noma ngibe sitopromota indzaba ya domestic tourism. Njengoba ke sathi noma kumbe sibonile litiko letekuvakasha li-introduce i-campaign labathi ke ivakasha eSwatini bathi ke #Phola Ngcebeleka eSwatini. Inama hashtags inkumbi but nje lokuhle lo silapha eLibonjeni ngicathi ilanga lethu lekuqala nje site lapha Mhlume Country Club sifike sakhanza indzawo yakhona yihle saphinde savakashela ke nemuseum lo lapha eThabakulu bathi i-sugar cane museum whereby khona kubona kumbe umlando lochaza kabanti ukuthi waqala kanjani linywa shukela ukuprocesswa njani kuqala siyathi sekungena indzaba dabo technology part nje lokukhulu sibonile ukuthi emuva bebenta kanjani setawuchubeka nalomkhankaso sikhutsate emaswati #Ngcebeleka eSwatini.
Bengicela ukuthi singabe ngibale igama lakho sibone singabe wenda ila Mhlume Country Club.
Okay, but igama lami ngiSimphiwe wakwaDlamini. Okay, la Mhlume Club I'm a resident DJ. So lengwendago I entertain people on regular basis. Ngiyaba shukumisa nje ngiyaba jayivisa nje futhi.
Bahlale ba right nabanye.
Bahlale ba right.
All right, so I'd love to know ukuthi mhlambe ngembukele ekhaya utawufisa kwade ukuthi nakalana Mhlume Country Club as far as entertainment is concerned mhlambe ngimaphi emalanga lo ngathi njenga resident DJ ngona amalanga la kunema events akho la really good for them to enjoy.
Okay, so la ekhaya eMhlume siqala on a Thursday.
Okay.
On a Thursday siba ne ladies night. Whereby entertainment village siqala khona shukumise abantu on a Thursday whereby ladies come by enjoy kunema cocktail nights sijayivise abantu. Then on a Friday nakhona saqhubeka la sigcine khona ngayitolo entertain. And then on Saturdays nakhona kuba nema shows, but most of the time Saturdays sisuke silethela abanye bo DJ yabo ukuthi nabo bantu ba exposed khona la eLibonjeni bakhona ukuthi bababone eLibonjeni because most of the time silanza abantu from Manzini babane sibalethe la ngala eLibonjeni khona abantu babona ukuthi ba DJ yasi bangaze bayileka embabane abantu babona khona la ekhaya. Mina what inspired me in music ukuthi it was sort of like bekungihilisha somehow yabo ngathi ngilalela music ngathi ukuthi no khona into engikhubile ngathi ngilalela music I sort of felt like sengihilishekile yabo. So during the course of this cut so ngagcina sengithanda music ngagcina vele sengiventurisha kiyo ngagcina ngakhatha sengi DJ yabo. Nebangani ke labo bo DJ bo Bo Super CDQ. He's also my friend. So those are people who inspired me. And abroad, both the coffee, the really love labang inspiration. So, but kusita lo munye lo sekaya, it's yinye incane nje message ukuthi follow what you like, yabo. Mine by profession, I'm a teacher. La khona la ngaphanele, I'm a teacher, yes. So, but then angizange lokho kungishinje ukuthi sengiluza love for music, yabo. So I continue from that because it had a space in my heart, yabo. So what I can say is just follow your passion.
All right, Gebafo. So as we are here under the courtesy of the S08E03 Tourism Authority. They are encouraging us to actually, they have a hashtag that is saying Paula Eswatini, Like Eswatini and all those things. So what can you say to encourage Mhlume Kaya concerning tourism in the country? And also how can they be preparing themselves to set that up with December? What can you say to them?
No, lengakusho ukuthi eMaswati amahle akakhuthali ukuthi ahlale within the country because manje ngama-entertainment spaces ama-entertainment places abangaya khona basijabulise. It's not always ukuthi kufuneka baphume baye ngephandle bofuna kunanzi. Locally la Swatini kunanzi kukhona. Diningi tindzawo leti khona la Swatini abangaya khona batijabulise khona because nalokuphuma ngasho ukuthi it saves a lot of things. Save imali. Hello, come and look at Tony Nabu, Kantu, Abasita Kusiba. So, in terms of the tourism forum, we show Maswati, they should just be local, but for entertainment. Yes, it's Bata Kaya, Lagapoko, Bachabu, by Gebele, Jikola Kaya, Bachabu, yes.
Buhle Betfu was still on day one of the Lubombo excursion. Earlier we were at the Sugarcane Museum and now we are back here at the Country Club, Mhlume Country Club, where it is happening. There's a live performances happening and a lot of good things that are happening here. We are here for our dinner. We'll be eating just now and enjoying ourselves. It's really awesome. Eswatini is beautiful. Paula Eswatini, that's what we are saying. Until next week, same time, same place. Goodbye.